Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeanette's Beauty World and I am Jeanette. I'm so glad you could join me for this new video. If you're new here, let me know. Leave me a message in the comments if you like the video, like it, and if you want to see more, subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. YouTube will tell you. If you're not new, if you've been already subscribed and you're back, welcome back. I'm so glad you came back to see me. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you're here. And I'm here to talk about beauty and do subscription box unboxings, do some makeup try-ons. Today is going to be a subscription box, and I have the Trendmood box. That is the Nabla Takeover box. This is not a recurring monthly box. It's just a one-time box. They put out boxes every so often. This box costs $44. And if you want to see what's in my box, keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to unbox this Trendmood box. This is the first time I've ordered a box from them. It costs $44 with free shipping. When you open it up, that's what it looks like. Oh, it has a little scan in there. So let's get my phone out and we'll scan that, because that'll tell us about what's in the box. All right. So let's see. These is cookies. Okay. Continue. All right. So this is Trendmood Box Volume 11, the new sold out Now or Never eyeshadow. No, that's not right. Let's see. Let's find. Well, I don't think this is the right information. So let's just open this up. Everything's wrapped in nice bubble wrap. All right, let's unwrap the bubble wrap. So let's see. So we have Body Highlighter, Body Glow by Nabla. Everything in here is by Nabla. All right. I've recently just heard about this company, and I've heard good things. So let's open that up. I think that's a giant body glow. So yeah, this, no, it's not giving me the right information. Hang on a second. Okay, so they don't have a place on their page that describes each of the products, but it does show like what's in the box. All right, so this Body Glow is in Sugar Babe. Okay, and you could have got one of two of these. Sugar Babe is Shimmering Warm Gold with Rose Gold Micro Sparkles, or I could have gotten Max Relax Intense Bronze with Copper Micro Pearls. So I got I think this is the lighter one, so that's good for me. But this is a nice packaging. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Holy cow. I wonder if I was supposed to do that. Let me see. Oh, no. Let's just squirt a little on my hand and see. Come on. Now these pumps take a few tries to get it going, right? Come on. This one doesn't want to come out. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to unscrew it again and just put a little bit of this on my hand. There we go. Get back in the bottle. And then I'll mess with that later to get the pump to work. But there it is. Let's just rub it in. I have a nice bronzed hand now, right? Bronze and glowy. Look at that. That's pretty. All right. All right. So now I got glowy hand. Oh, smells good. Has a nice smell to it. I'm going to be all glowy now. I rubbed it all up my arm here. All right. So next, it says Viper Lip Plumper. All right. That's just what it says there. One Viper Lip Plumper. So let's pull this out. Oh, this feels kind of almost sticky. Let's see if it dries down, at least on my hand. But that's what this lip plumper looks like. And oh, all right. So it's got that kind of a tip. And it seems like you twist it. And nothing's coming out. Oh, goodness. That's 2 for 2, huh? I can't get it to come out. I don't think I should have to. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. And there it is. Okay. Let's put just a little bit on top of, just to see if I can feel the plumping. All right. So it takes a few minutes for it to come up. I got a little on my tongue. Kind of has a, doesn't taste bad, but the tip of my tongue is like almost like a burning sensation, like mint. Here it goes. Here goes the plumping. Starting to feel it now. It says up to 2 hours effect, clinically tested. Viper Lip Plumper increases lip volume in a few minutes. A blend of patented raw materials and natural origin. Functional ingredients: caffeine, capsicum, ginger, menthol, vitamin B3, and something. Provides immediate and long-term plumping with an emollient, antioxidant, and nourishing action. So yeah, so it took a few seconds, probably 20-30 seconds, but I started feeling the plumping effect. So we will see if that plumps my lips. All right. Yeah, this still, on my hand, still feels kind of sticky there. Let me get, I'm doing my makeup wipes. I put them somewhere. See, I cleaned up my desk the other day, or yesterday after filming, and now I don't know where I put my makeup wipes. All right, so next thing in the box, Cupids Arrow Full Color Stylo Intense. Okay. And this is, oh, it looks like there's 3 different colors. This is number 5, Arrow. So let's see what it is. They had number 6, Arrow, and number 7. So number 5 is Beige Bix, and then 6 is Midnight Blue, and 7 is Medium Cherry Brown. So this is the Beige Biscuit. Let's see what it is. Okay. I think it's a lip liner. So it's nice and creamy. Went on nice and smooth. Let me just read and just make sure. Full Color Stylo. I believe it's a lip liner. It doesn't say lip liner on it, but let's get out the magnifying glass and read this. Long wear multi-use stylo. And then it says the same thing in several different languages. So I'm assuming it's 100% vegan. It's good for 18 months. And yeah, so I'm assuming this is a lip liner. It looks like a nice lip liner, a nice beige lip liner. So yeah, all right. So like that. Oh, we got all three of them. Look at that. All right, so let's open these up. So number 6 and number 7. So number 6 is the Midnight Blue. Or maybe they're eyeliners, because I wouldn't put Midnight Blue on my lips. All right. So let's, oh, that's really nice. Goes on really nice. And then the last one is a medium cherry brown. Yes, so they must be eyeliners. Like I said, I wouldn't put that Midnight Blue on my lips. There's a medium cherry brown. Look how smooth that. Oh. See, I can't see what I'm doing. Look at that. Those are nice colors. Nice, smooth, easy. It seems like they wouldn't, skip or anything when you're putting it on. So yeah, so I got all three eyeliners. And then there's 2 palettes. All right, let's open Nabla Cutie palette in analog. Let's open this up. Yep, there's analog and midnight. All right, hang on a second. Okay, we got them open. So this is the Nabla Cutie palette in analog. And let's open it up. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's got a nice little mirror on it. Let's fold it back so I don't blind you all. That's pretty. 6 shades. All right, so let's swatch a little bit here. All right, so let's do the first row. Here's the first row. Look at that shimmer. Pretty. Let's see how we're going to do this here. Put my sleeve up just so I don't. Oh, they swatch nice. Really nice. So this dark room is the first, this one, no, this one, the dark brown. Overexposed is the shimmer. Contact sheet is the third one. And I did find my wipes, my micellar water wipes. All right, let's get the second row on here. You want to stay on good, huh? Let's try. So then we have camera roll, noise, and 35 millimeter. So it's another matte and then 2 more shimmery. So it's 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. All right. Oh, where am I going? Let's go this way. Let's redo 35 millimeter for you because it's like all over the place. But they swatch nice. Look at that. Look how pretty. Yeah, those are nice. All right. And then the second palette. Put the throwing boxes. Sorry. All right. So then the second palette, another cutie palette in midnight. That's what that looks like. Let's open that up, and this also has a mirror, same 6 shades. Look at that, like blues and teal greens. All right, let's swatch this. We're gonna swatch it over here. use my other hand. So these feel so nice. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. Look at that. Look at that kind of midnight blue. And then this is a light blue called Air. And then Marseille. Look at that shimmer. All right. So we're going to start on this end this time. Let me get some more. That's a matte, that light blue. It's buildable. I think it's because it's such a light pastel color, you know. All right, so the first one's Blue Hour, then Air, and then Marseille is the shimmer closest to my hand there. And then shades and 3 matte shades. So like I said, I'd heard good things about these products. So I'm liking what I see. Like I said, the eyeliners, they glided on my hand really smooth. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at those shimmers. All right. Oh, beautiful. So we have Sapphire. You can definitely tell the Sapphire. And then the one in the middle is Alma. And then Quiet Storm is the light blue shimmer. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to play with these palettes. They are really beautiful. Look at that. Even after swatching. Wow. All right. So that's everything in the box. I forget what they said. Let me see what they said the value is. I thought I saw it here somewhere. But I can't. I don't see it. But so you can get these products at, let's see, 30% off Nabla entire brand at Ulta Beauty. Use code Nabla30 at checkout, online only. Okay. So I'll put that code down there with Ulta's website, and I'll find the Nabla website. And yeah, you guys can check this out. And I'll put the Trendmood website in case you want to just see if they have any more of these. I think they still have boxes available because it doesn't say, still has add to cart on there. Yeah. So if you wanted to get this collection for yourself for $44, I think it's a steal for these products that are in here. How my lips look? They look plump. Let's zoom in and see. All right. I got plump lips. They feel. I think they are. So yeah, this lip plumper is no joke here, I think. Yeah. So we've got the lip plumper. We've got our eyeliners. Get that out of the box. We've got 3 eyeliners. Oh, turn that around for you. Okay. We got the Body Glow bronzer and Sugar Babe, and our 2 cutie palettes. I think we can zoom back in again so we can see these 2 cutie palettes, all for $44. So yeah, so check that out. I'll put all the information in the description box down below for you. And yeah, so this has been fun. I'm enjoying this, seeing a new brand, and gonna get to try that out. So that's exciting. All right, so if you like this video, give it a like. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And I love you all. Mwah. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.